How to know if someone deleted their Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat and then click on your chat at the bottom. Then go to search at the top and then search the username and click on their username at the top. If they have not deleted their account, you will find their Snap score, which is Snapchat like emoji and numbers. But if they have deleted their Snapchat, you won't find any Snap scores or anything under their name. As you can see, there is no Snap score. If no Snap score, it also means it's the new account and that person has not sent any Snap. But if they used to Snap and now there is no Snap score, that simply means they have deleted their Snapchat. This is how to know if someone deleted their Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.